Hi everybody, this is MsBelindaAllen and I have another tiny tip for you. In my last tiny tip, I was showing you this Power BI report that I've been working on. It looks at the American College Football Southeastern Conference team, so I could do some comparisons on stats. And you may have noticed I have logos on here. And if I were to go in and go to transform data, because I have the home team and the away team listed right here. So the next game that is coming up, Kentucky and Auburn's one of them, but another one is Florida and Ole Miss. And so Florida is the away team and Ole Miss is the home team. So I'm going to go ahead and look for Ole Miss. And there's Ole Miss. And that's Old Mississippi, for those of you not in the United States. And the away team is the Florida Gators. And then if I go back and close and apply, you're going to notice not only the name will change down here, but the icons will change to represent each one of these. Now, this is the first time I've used some of these URL links, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on Connect and connect anonymously. All of the teams except two use the exact same tool for reporting their stats, so I could just create a link accordingly. And now I just need to tell it that that's public information. All right, so you can see the description changed, as did the logos. And this tiny tip is all about how the logos get set up. So first of all, you should note I have this team logo query right here. And if I were to go in to look at my data and select that one, you can see I have the URLs for those logos. So how did I get these in? Well, first of all, I could have put a table down here because you could put an image in a table, but I downloaded this custom visual called Simple Image, so you could find it out there. And then in the URL field, I just put the URL that I wanted to see. So this is the home side, so there's home. Now, that being said, putting that URL in there by itself isn't going to do anything. What you have to do is you have to set the data category for an image URL. So when I select that under the column tool area, I can categorize this as an image URL. Many of you have probably done this with the geographical information, but there's also a web URL and a barcode. But this is an image URL. So now I'm able to have the team logo appear wherever I want. So I have the away team and I have the home team. And as always, I hope this tiny tip helps.